are in NorCal. I think I explained it in the last video or two. We came to NorCal for the Labor Day weekend, and today is Sunday and we were headed to a car meet right away. You guys remember Chris? Well, I didn't show it on the channel obviously because we live in SoCal now, but this guy ended up picking up an E92. He sold that orange Z that I don't know if you guys are familiar with. I'll throw a picture on the screen. But he sold that car, he got this car, and there's a couple modifications that he did to this car so far that obviously we weren't able to film just because we're roughly around like 6-7 hours away from each other now. But right away, he just wrapped it this in, what is it, Enzotech, what, red? Enzotech. I totally pronounced it wrong. Enzotech. Now the thing is, it's funny because he's been wanting to wrap a car this color for the longest time, and every time he does it, it's always like sold out or like they just don't have it. Well, it actually happened this time too, but he was able to snag like a couple rolls, so it's pretty cool that it worked out for him. But he wrapped it. He has these wheels on there. As you guys can see, he has a front splitter or lip, you can say, that is carbon fiber, side skirts. And then we're gonna open up the vehicle. He has Sparkle aftermarket seats. He has a roll cage. Yo, it's pretty clean to be honest. The most favorable part is the exhaust. So if you guys know, this is the last body style of the V8. Now this has the S65 motor in it. When this fool revs it, oh my lord, it sounds insane. Look at these fools down there trying to peep the vehicle. Big dog. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, we are late. All right, Oso, I'll see you later. All right. See, we would give you guys a little rev, but you know, we're still in the residential. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, so kind of gotta wait.
I don't think the camera will catch it, bro.
You don't think so?
Nah.
No? Bro, that's pretty loud.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know. I can't think of any other video.
Literally gives me the chill.
Yeah.
I haven't heard it myself in a while. So.
Sheesh. What's funny is this fool, so he's been in New York for work for the past like month. This car's been done for roughly like over a month now. Yeah, and he hasn't like posted it or anything like that just because he's been, you know, busy working.
First time bringing it up.
Yeah, so
First time bringing it up.
that's so sick, bro. I freaking love the sound of this vehicle.
It needs to be lower, bro.
So you want to lower it more?
Just lower it, just to make that finish perfect.
This fool's gonna lower this car more, and that lip is gonna exit the chat.
$500 a lip. First time driving with it too.
You know what I think? I think that okay, yeah, maybe a little lower.
A little lower.
Yeah, I was gonna say probably bring the wheels out a little bit more, but yeah, I don't know.
I will.
I mean,
I think the rear needs to be bringing out a little bit.
yeah.
Because I don't want to rub in the front at all.
Yeah, the front.
I still want to be functional.
Yeah, that front's
Still want
gonna
to
be.
go through those hills without having to rub.
Yeah, that front's gonna be spicy regardless. But yeah, just give you guys a different you know, scenery, I guess. Walk around the car a little bit so you can get an idea of what it looked like. It looks good. Looks really good. Now, one unfortunate thing that happened was his headlight. It happened like a week after you got it, huh?
Second day I drove it.
Second
I
day.
don't know week wise, but the second time I drove it.
The second time he drove it.
And I was driving it hard, but why would the headlight fall apart?
The lens. So you guys know how there's projectors. Obviously it's a projector little lens right on the headlight. Well, this one fell off.
Came off, so I gotta hit up bay off. It's not.
It fell off. I've never heard of that happening before. That's very unfortunate, but you know.
Unless you fucking bake it.
Yeah, the bake it, open it up, and then you know.
You know, last time we tried to bake a headlight.
Yeah. So it is what it is. But
I leave the headlights for the professionals.
Yeah, I don't think that's probably something I wouldn't do either. Like even on the Z, I wouldn't open my headlight. I'd rather not deal with that, to be honest with you.
Leave it for the professionals.
Yeah, leave it to somebody who knows what they're doing. But you guys get an idea of the interior. So we have the Sparkle seats again, roll cage. Looks good, man. I don't know which one I'd prefer as far as transmission, DCT or you know.
A lot of people prefer, like these owners prefer a manual because you know manual cars got manual.
Yeah.
We've been through manual so many times. I wanted to try DCT.
Yeah, and that's actually, that is weird for me to say because I am always manual. If a car comes in manual, I'm gonna get it manual. But you guys heard the downshifts on DCT. I don't know. That's a hard one. And downshifts is what.
Like the manual has rev matching, so.
Yeah, exactly. Now it'd been different if the manual had a rev match.
Yeah.
Then it'd be a little different. Then I'd probably say, you know, like maybe I get a manual. But how much was it?
$70.
Oh my. And it's $70, bro. 13 gallons. Wait, how many gallons?
Per gallon.
How many gallons? 539.
I think the car's 16 gallon.
16? Hey man, it's still less than the Z. But it goes through it. It goes through it faster though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Z at least will last long if you make it last.
Yeah. That's true. This one you probably give like 250, 250 miles on a gallon.
On 99.
Or on a full tank.
That's E85 numbers.
Yeah. Just imagine this car on full 85. And ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at the first destination. So there's 2 meets that we're hitting up today. This is the first one. We're in Oakland, California. And of course we're playing music. So we're gonna have to go around from that because we're not trying to get copyrighted, of course. Let me find out you're getting front row parking and you're late, man.
I guess so. They said park by the Corvette.
Let me find out. 7+ hours away from home, guys, and it doesn't change. It does not change.
STO is clean.
That's so clean. As you can tell, this is where the expensive cars are at. Oh no, we gotta go back here. No. GT3 RS. What color are they?
I want to do it to like the cage. You see how the seatbelts?
Oh yeah. That's so clean, but no. There is no way we are gonna walk away from this. GT2 RS, yo.
Silver?
No way. No freaking way, yo. This is the ultimate dream car right here. Ultimate dream car. So like I tell you guys, I don't know if you know, so the difference between the GT2 RS and the GT3 RS, this comes factory twin turbo. So this is technically like the higher model over the GT3 RS.
Pretty much I'm talking about looks, but now that I see both of them together, the exhaust.
Yeah, the exhaust, and if I'm not mistaken, the front has like the 2 like big grills in the front, the front bumper, yeah. So like these things right here, and I'm pretty sure it's meant for like the intercooler, which is what it looks like.
This one's still like 200,000.
No freaking way, yo. This is the ultimate dream car right here. Yeah. Dang. Yo. That's crazy. Keep in mind, guys, this is only possible because we're in Oakland. So.
What exhaust is that?
It's a Borla 8-pack.
I like that the ethanol gauge right there. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
That's what makes it better.
Where I got pulled over one time, I was like trying to dip it.
He's like, what does E40 mean?
That's sick though, bro.
Song, bro. That's my song.
See, the thing with these cars is a lot of people did not like them when they came out, and I'm gonna always remember that. This fool was actually one of them. We're not gonna talk about that. No, he said it grew on him, but yeah, no, it's
It's one of those cars that needs a lip.
I don't remember it without a lip. Because every time you see one, it's always modified.
It looked ugly when a couple months later a company makes the aftermarket.
Yeah, that's true. Because everybody was complaining about the kidneys. But the thing is, though, I never did like hate it. You know, this color's sick, by the way. Yeah, look at that. Those seats, bro. The color.
Seats. Are they? Oh, they are.
Yeah. Those are seats. It's clean,
man,
yo.
Want to sell some to me? Or?
Fitment's even, you know, dialed in for the most part. It's clean. I like the color.
This car's big.
It is a big car, to be honest. We have a, what is this? A V300. I'm not gonna lie, I've never heard of it.
It's a GS300, but just Japan's version.
Oh, okay, right-hand drive. Apparently they come.
72,000 miles on a 1997.
And it has a 2J in it.
Yes. Well, it's probably like, you know, there's
the
two different stages.
Yeah, the
like,
GTE, GT.
Yeah,
The GT, GTE. Yeah. I know Drew's watching this. Drew, I need your help on that one because I know you know. GTE, EAL 7912, whatever. I have an RX-7 over here. So one detail I want to point out about this, you guys see that heat shield? It's like literally perfect for the exhaust housing.
Yeah.
It's crazy, yo. God, I don't know. That's very it's pleasing to see.
Turn his dampening. Make it his.
Imagine that. Oh, it's clean though.
Remember me? I sold you the turbo kit.
That's clean though.
I'm surprised you remember it. Yeah, I seen him walking. I was like,
Oh, it's yours, isn't it?
It's mine.
Oh shoot, yeah, I remember. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I'll just show you guys how small of a world it is. So, the guy that owns this car is actually him, and he sold Chris the turbo kit when he had his Z. And then, because the reason why he sold it to Chris because he blew his motor with that turbo kit, so he sold it to Chris. Chris sold that turbo kit and the car. He sold his car and bought an RX-7, and Chris sold his car and bought an E92. That's funny, bro. Yeah, it's a small world. That's funny, yo.
Hey, that was a perfect example that somebody's always watching.
Yeah, yeah,
See?
yeah,
Like, you seen us walking.
yeah,
You
yeah.
had no idea.
Exactly. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are headed out. There is another meet we're gonna hit on the way home. There's only so many times we can see the same cars, so
It's a little on the smaller end.
yeah. I mean, it was still pretty cool.
Yeah, it's
I think it was.
I had a GT2, bro.
Yeah, man, that thing was so clean, man. Ultimate dream car. You guys know this. When I get one, I promise you, I'm gonna make one of those videos where it's like spending 24 hours inside of my GT2 RS. I'll take a GT3, but the GT2 RS is the ultimate dream car. Yo!
Bro, that was like extreme.
That was you can't even imitate that even if you wanted to. That's crazy,
I didn't
yo.
expect it to be that.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yo.
That's crazy. I'm telling you, it literally gives me the chills.
That's what literally has chills though.
Bro, that sound is crazy.
I need some more tunnels now. Yo. Okay, so we just got to the second meet location. I'm gonna be really honest with you guys, I'm probably not gonna film it because it's nothing like I thought it was gonna be. The only reason why we're stopping here is because it's on the way home.
Yeah.
It's in a small parking lot and it's just not.
And there's music.
Yeah, there's music playing, so obviously that's already a strike. But it's just not what I thought it was gonna be. So probably not gonna film here. But right away you can kind of get like the idea. You can see through the cage. Like it's a small location. You know, it's kind of like Bay Area meet. It's kind of like they took Oakland and put it in Livermore, basically.
I don't even feel like we're in Livermore.
Yeah, it really doesn't, bro. It doesn't feel like we're in Livermore. So we're gonna walk around for a little bit and then yeah, we'll probably leave, to be honest. All right, so we are away from that meet, far away, thank God. I wanted this guy to rev this car so you guys can hear how insane it sounds. So this is what it sounds like when it's idling, right? All right, hit me with a couple. And this is what it's revving. Yo, that actually sounds so amazing. You've never heard it, huh?
Not really.
I need to get some phone footage of that because Lord, that sounds insane. Actually sounds good. All right, just so he can hear it.
That was like 7,000.
That was 7,000?
Like the max I've touched.
Okay, well, how high does it go?
That's at 8, 7.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
It's very like touchy.
Is it?
Yeah, watch.
right.
Just get a feel for it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my Lord. We need one. We need one. I need one. Okay. Yo.
It sounds good, bro.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Yo, that sounds so crisp, yo.
Yeah, I guess I did a good job combining it. All right, let me tell them. So this is a Valvetronic mid pipe and a Borla ATAC Axleback exhaust. So I just combined it and this is what it sounds like. The camera doesn't pick it up, but it sounds amazing in person.
I'll see when I go to edit this video, but it sounds crisp in person,
They'll
yo.
for sure not get the exhaust, like how loud it is.
Yeah, that you guys won't get, but you'll get
how good it sounds.
yeah, like how crisp. You'll get like an idea, but you won't get how loud it is. And it's not like an overbearing loud where like it's annoying loud. It's so crisp though. It's crazy, yo.
I still haven't taken a picture myself.
So hasn't revealed this on his Instagram, and it's been done for like over a month. So we are back at home, and I just kind of wanted to leave this segment of the video for the end. I've been home since last Wednesday. Today is Sunday. And I just want to let you guys know that if you guys have family, mom, dad, sisters, brothers, aunts, uncles, whatever it is, make sure that you guys enjoy the time with your family, because you just never know what could happen. I don't know why I'm out of breath, so excuse that. But you just never know what could happen. Me living 6-7 hours away, I come home and it is always a joyful feeling being able to come home and visit everybody, my family, my friends that are family, and just basically be in their presence and vice versa, and just literally just enjoying time together. Because like I said, life happens and you just never know what can happen. So with that being said, this segment of the video just shows you how we can bring cars that we love and enjoy and just kind of mix it in with family, and we can all just like enjoy it together. Let's go. Sounds good when he cause it's a V8, so. Oh, it is? Yeah. You gotta come back here though. You gotta come here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is it?
Wait.
Yeah, let's get back to first.
Get that reaction. Go ahead, bro.
It's not loud on startup.
Okay, wait, hold on. You guys stand right here. Nah, you guys stand right here. What? Just so you hear it. Sounds good.
Wow.
That's a V8? Yeah, it's a V8 in there. This guy that got me into cars, guys.
Loud, huh?
I can't believe a V8 to be not that big.
Yeah. That's a lot of cars.
You want it, Mom? You want it?
Yes, that is nice.
You want it?
This car?
Yeah.
I take it.
It's nice, huh?
I love that. I like that look in the back.
What's that for 2?
No. That's just how it is.
Dang.
Yeah. It's a beefy, huh?
Yeah. I don't know why it's one of those cars, like it's like one of the best sounding cars.
Yeah.
Is it fast?
It's not that fast. It's just one of the best sounding cars.
It sounds really good.
It's not like a slowest turtle, but it's not like fast.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Yeah, it was great.
manual?
What I love about wait, what?
It's DCT. So it's a dual clutch transmission. So it's the same ones that's in like the GTRs. There's other like BMWs that it's in. So it's not not stick, yeah. So if well, let's go. You gotta take a look inside of it.
The back tires.
So it has like that shifter right there. Yeah. And obviously like there's a mode where it like shifts by itself, or you can put it in manual mode. And like it's kind of hard to explain. You just have to experience it, but it like shifts extremely fast, like extremely fast. Really? Yeah, it's something that you just have to experience. To be honest with you, it's kind of hard to explain. All right, and this is where we are gonna end today's video. The next video that you guys see, we will be back in SoCal. I'm gonna spend the rest of a day and a half, just hanging out with my parents, visiting friends, family, and really just enjoying that time. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, stay safe, stay tuned. Also, before I go, E92 next.
Whoa. Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believe me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.